Hey, boys and girls and families. I was so happy to see most of you today at our open house. And for those of you that were not able to come, I am so sorry for the technology issues. I know some of you weren't able to come because of other reasons, but I just want to make sure that you know that we are working to get all of our technology issues resolved before tomorrow. So here's what I've done. I have emailed each of your students their link for our small group meeting tomorrow. This is going to be different than the link that I have sent out previously, as well as the link that you may have used for tonight's open house meeting. So they are going to need to check their calendar or their Google Classroom. I am also going to send each of you your students' login information for their Google Classroom, which will serve for their email and any other thing that they need for class. So you should each be getting an email very shortly with their username and password, so that way you can get on Google Classroom tonight and give things a try. If you have any questions after that, please let me know. I am here to help you no matter what. Our small groups will start tomorrow, and our office hours will be tomorrow as well. So you can contact me and we can talk tomorrow as well. I hope you have a great evening and enjoy the last few hours of summer. I will see you tomorrow.